Welcome to a new personalized support dashboard experience from HP Support. To get started, sign in or create an account at support.hp.com. With your HP Support dashboard, you can now save your devices and follow related support cases in one place. Review cases in detail and see the upcoming steps. Get access to product-specific support information, including warranty, diagnostics, drivers, and other helpful tools. Connect with your HP Support Assistant account to check the latest health stats for your device. The new dashboard also features ink level overviews for printers and a quick path to your Instant Ink account. Click Contact HP to find contact options and get in touch with an agent in no time. Add your HP product to your dashboard today. All of your devices in one place. Support case information at your fingertips. Help and support tailored to your device. Go to support.hp.com to register or sign in to HP ID today.